film will focus on Nissan's medium-sized pickup vehicle, the 2025 Navara Hybrid. It has conventional features. Many modern safety features are in the 2025 Navara Hybrid. The features include adaptive cruise control, emergency brake automation, and frontal collision warning. Best safety pick goes to the Navara Hybrid. Propilot Assist will be standard on the 2025 Navara Hybrid. This device helps drivers with semi-autonomous functions. Mitsubishi may remodel the Triton in 2025, according to rumors. Future Navara and Triton models may share a platform. Nissan can lower its 2025 Navara Hybrid development costs thanks to this partnership. Considering inflation and prospective upgrades, industry insiders expect the vehicle to start around $33,000. After its 2023 or early 2024 launch, the 2025 Navara Hybrid is expected to be sold in 2024 or 2025. Rumors say Nissan may redesign the 2025 Navara Hybrid, using inspiration from the Titan and Pathfinder, to make it more modern and beautiful. This automobile is sleeker and more modern than the 2025 Navara Hybrid. LED headlamps, integrated bumpers, and a thin grille with strong lateral muscles set this vehicle apart from its competitors. This car is twice more durable and off-road ready. Nissan may make the Navara more sturdy and geometric to boost its off-road performance. Increased riding height, high-performance tires, cushioning, and skid plates are notable. Spacey back doors and bright LED tail lamps distinguish the Navara Hybrid. Recent rumors say a Navara Hybrid will be introduced. If these reports are true, the Navara's diesel engine would change drastically. Hybrid powertrains may improve performance and fuel efficiency.